I have to tell you, in reality, there's no managing, there's only juggling. After having a baby, management is a very big thing. There's only one leg is here in office and the other is at home.
I would not say balance because balance is a myth when it comes to a mother. So sometimes I have to give more time to my work and sometimes I have to give more time to my child. It depends on each day and I take it as it goes. And yeah, that's the way I do it.
If you have an support system at home, it is gonna be the best thing you can ever have. Like, I feel really blessed to have my mother-in-law who is such a big support to me. Not only my mother-in-law, my husband and my father-in-law, they're very supportive about how career-oriented I am and the way I want to live. So without their support, I don't think my boat is going to sail.
Motherhood taught me how to handle an individual and it taught me a lot of patience, which is I think required in every stream or every walks of life. And I think I understand human beings more, and I'm more empathetic towards their feelings. And I think this is the most important leadership quality that a leader requires for leading their company.
Before having a baby and after having a baby, the most important thing I've ever learned is patience. Patience is the key to everything. Earlier, when there was some task I couldn't manage or couldn't complete in a particular time, I used to get very frustrated and very messy. But now, I really have that patience in me. So if you ask any mother of a baby or a daughter, you definitely get the answer of patience is what you learn forever in life. And more than patience also, as if you compare before having a baby and after having a baby, I think it's taught me not only patience but empathy. And the way now I delegate my tasks are very different than what I used to do before, and I think in good way, it has improved me as a person.
So when I became a mother, a first time mother, it is not easy, yet it is the most wonderful thing that happens to you. I took a sabbatical for 3 years, which I think is a long time. But yeah, I think that time, my time was required for my child, for his growth and development. And then after my 3 years were done with him, I started my journey being the marketing director. I look at work more seriously now because I have responsibility at home, which is not taken very lightly. And I do my work with my all, I give it all. So yeah, I would like to say that.
I wish all the beautiful mothers there a very happy Mother's Day.
I wish a very happy Mother's Day to all the lovely mothers out there. You are the best mother for your child.